Hi lovelies! So today we are going to do a bees and bows set. So I've already done the base colour because this is a set that I was doing for my mother-in-law, and we're just starting with a nude base, and with a dark green we're going to draw in the grass in long wavy shapes. We all know what grass looks like. So starting off with the darker colours, and then I'm sort of going to go in. I haven't cured yet, so I'm going in. The bloody focus! I hate this camera. I'm so sorry. I hope you can see it a bit better soon. Oh. So yes, I haven't cured. I think I realised that you could see it better if I placed it down on the bottom. I'll just see if I can zoom in. So now I'm just sort of blending in the lighter shades of green with the darker shades. So we're just going to do a little yellow flower. So we're just doing a 4.5 point flower. I think I was hoping it might look like a daffodil, but it's just a normal, ordinary flower. So we're just going to do a couple of coats of the yellow because it's not quite opaque, and just a little bit of white in the flower petals, and then just blend that in with a darker yellow. Almost like a sunflowery flower, this one. Maybe. No, it's not. I did do this a while ago, I'm sorry. So then we're going to do the stem with the leaves coming out just at the bottom there. I've been seeing these sort of designs like, who is it I like? Fresh Set Lancaster or something like that. She does so many lovely flowery designs, like springtime, summertime. That's obviously her jam. I'm not usually a flowery girl, I must admit. But I did enjoy doing this set. It doesn't look like hers in any way because hers is like amazing, but we're just doing a little tulipy sort of flower with the stems coming out, and then just going to do the little bit lighter shade of pink inside that flower there. Sorry, I got caught up talking as usual. Sorry. And then I'm just going to go over those flowery bits just because I didn't really feel like it looked quite right. And then we are going to make the little bumblebee. So I got this from Temu. Very cheap, very easy to work with. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. So we're just sort of going to shape it into almost like a jelly bean shape. Sometimes I do get a bit annoyed with 3D gel when it doesn't stick where I want it to stick. So he's sort of like a jelly bean, can you see? And then I'm just going to do tiny blobs of white for his wings. Yeah, sometimes I find it really easy to work with. Some days it's just an absolute knob. It sticks to your fingers, doesn't want to do anything, and you just So we're just colouring the little black bits of the bee just with gel polish, because I thought there's no point in trying to do black yellow in 3D gel so small. Just might as well paint on top of the yellow. And then I think we're just going to do a little dot sort of where the bee has been. I like those, just sort of And then dots everywhere, you know, because we like the dots. We like the dots. And there we have our little bee nail. I do think it was really cute. I don't know when this video will go up. It may go up today. It may go up. I don't know. But I am going back to work next week. It is scary time. And this nail is sort of like a flowery bow nail. So we're just sort of doing, I haven't cured anything yet. I've just done the little leaf coming upwards and then lighter greens down the side. Oh, of course, I've gone off screen. What an absolute dick. What a waste of time. I'm very sorry. I am very sorry if you have wasted your time on that little bit there. I literally just did fan nails there, like fan leaves. They were just topping the leaves with love heart flowers. And then I think what we do in the middle is we're going to do the little bow shape. So we're just doing each side separately and the middle. Oh, I really, really, really hate looking back at footage and thinking, it's blurry. The little cute little bow there. So we're just going to make the little shading bits darker. And then that seems like a really short bow. Why have I not done them longer? Maybe this is a longer bow. Maybe. I don't know. Oh. So, like with the other nail, I've done the flowers either side, darker and lighter green mixed together without curing yet, just because I like to blend. And then we're just going to do... What are we going to do in the middle? Can't remember. Oh, we're going to do love hearts. We're going to do a little line of love hearts, I think. Oh, of course I've faffed. When you do hearts, if you faff too much, it's no good. You should have just left it. So this is the final set. I hope you enjoyed this very quick rubbish focus video. Please keep tuned because I have got loads more to come that I have got better focus in them. That little rose nail, I have done the blooming gel tutorial already. That is already up if you want to go have a look at that. But let me know if you liked these nails or this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.